make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red _ 92, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a really quick tutorial on how to put a decal on your sunroof or your Charger. I kind of already did half of it, so that's my bad. I will be showing a speeded up version of me putting on my custom decal I got made at EII Graphics. They're located in Rincon, Georgia. I'll put their Instagram link in the bio.
A message to the old and young. A message to the old and young. A message to the old and young. Teased about where I come from. Murder them with a song, yeah, we murder them with a song. We pick it up and get up on when we murder them down. You can't hold me back, you can't hold me back. You can't hold me back, you can't hold my shell to crack. A message to the old and young. A message to the old and young. You can't hold me back, you can't hold me back. Turn the bass up.
So, I know I had to speed up the sunroof and it probably got darker. So I brought out the lights so you can see me do my third quarter window. They also made that custom as well. with my. They can make pretty much anything custom, guys. So go check those guys out on Instagram, and they have their address and phone number in their bio. So first thing you want to do when removing old decals is use straight razor. What's going on, guys? This is a little quick break. Let you guys know about EIG, which is Edwards Interiors Graphics. The guy behind me is Derek. He's one of my contact people here at EIG, and he's the one that designed my decal for my roof, my sunroof, and my front windshield. He's right now applying my rear YouTube handle. They can do a lot of custom graphics. As you can see with the YouTube graphic, it was made by The Dark Knight. He made a custom graphic for me, and they made it come to life. So once he's done with this, we'll ask a few questions about EIG. Located right here in Rincon, Georgia, and we'll be right back. See, that was installed by Derek. Now I'm going to flip the camera around, let Derek explain in more detail about EIG Graphics, which is Edwards Interiors Graphics. So here's Derek.
Hey man, I'm Derek. I'm a graphic designer here up at Edwards Interiors. Like Will said, we do a bunch of graphics, advertisement, anything that your company needs. Banners, we do cornhole boards, we're at vehicles, signs. As you can see, we do a bunch of car decals. Pretty much anything you want to put a logo on. As you see, we got semi trucks over here that we do as well. We do big fleets for companies. Or anything you want to put a logo on, you can send us anything you want, and we can take care of it for you. We are Edwards Interiors Graphics.
This is their business information as well as their Instagram name as well, which is EIG or Edwards Interior Graphics. You can find them on Instagram as well. We're gonna go inside now. Hey guys, thanks for the support and helping me hit 800 subscribers. This is the giveaway video for the Super Clean. Check the video description on how to enter. For the people that won this at my club's car show, just let you know it does clean up like compound. It'll clean off your plastics. For instance, right here, I just finished compounding this Hellcat, and I got a little bit of compound right here. So just take your Super Clean, spray it right there. Just a regular rag, no scrubbing. Off it comes. So that's a little quick shout out to Super Clean. Hope you guys that won the raffle for the Super Clean package, it had this in it. Hope you're using it and enjoying the product. Just a shout out Super Clean. Thanks. Their equipment, which is top of the line, and show you how what it can do with pretty much a lot of different materials. All right.
So usually we'll have another printer right here. We're actually we're doing a big golf tournament right now, so we took a printer out there to Hilton Head, and they're printing some stuff out there in Hilton Head for that golf tournament.
So you guys are mobile as well?
We are mobile. We'll, for the most part, we'll come, within reason, location. We'll come out to you and do whatever. So this is our Epson printer. We have Epson and HP. Our Epsons are usually for lighter colors and longer prints, because it'll roll it up and stuff for you. But yeah, we got 2 Epsons and 4 HP printers, so we can constantly keep stuff coming. And
all right.
Then, what's next?
What's this behind us?
This thing back here. This is also an HP. It's our flatbed. This is for big stuff like these fluoroplast signs. We can just lay it right here, run it through there, and it'll print everything. For bigger stuff,
Nice.
Yard signs, hole sponsors, stuff like that.
Okay, cool.
Yep. These things here are just our laminators. We got 60-inch, 54-inch, stuff like that. After we print something off, we'll just run it through our laminator, so it'll be nice and clean looking. We have another laminator down there. Our brand new laminator we just got here.
All right.
Looks super nice. And then next part, if you're getting it cut after it's been printed and laminated, come over here, slide it in here. This ain't a plotter, X-Y plotter. It runs on an X and Y axis. So you get your file set up over here. You'll send it. It'll read the marks on it, and it'll cut, die cut, any type of cut you want.
Gotcha.
Yeah, X-Y plotter.
Sweet. So you have 2 of those. Is that what this is too?
Yeah, same thing. That's also brand new. One more thing we got in here.
And you guys are in between. Are you guys wrapping this bike? Or?
We are decaling it. We just brought it in yet. I don't think we've done much to it yet.
All right. So this is one of their current projects of them. Just how professional they are. They have everything here. So if you want to drop off your bike, like so, and in the back you have the area to drop off vehicles.
Got big.
So your vehicles be secure. You'll be in a very controlled climate, so you don't have to worry about if the decals be bubbling or anything like that. It's in room temperature control, and for the most part, dust free.
You wanna? We got the engraving something right now. We also have this. We have a smaller fiber laser for usually metal products. And then we have a big boss laser over here that we use for wood, cutting boards, stuff like that.
And this is metal engraver, or?
This is usually metal.
Okay.
We do plastics and stuff too with it, but usually metal.
So pretty much anything custom you guys want.
Yeah,
There you guys have it. That is Derek from EIG, and they can provide almost anything related to branding, signs, wraps, vinyls, all kind of things. So back to the decal install. enjoyed this quick install video on how to install decals on your Dodge Charger, or any car for that matter, just a steady hand and soap and water so you can move the decal around in case you stick it in the wrong place. Sometimes decals, when you get them stuck, that's kind of it. Use soap and water. Again, let the soap and water dry a little bit so the decal comes off, and so you can move it when you need to move it. But that's when you can really peel off the paper. I just peeled it off super quick because I'm trying to make the video not as long. But just remember to use soap and water and let it dry some, then peel off the paper, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys somewhere soon in April. So later. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!